optimizing screen-based interfaces for dark and light modes in user interface design. Introduction to dark and light modes. Dark and light modes are two popular visual themes used in user interfaces. They cater to different user preferences and environmental conditions. Understanding the design principles is crucial for our optimal user experience. Importance of color contrast. Color contrast is essential for readability in both dark and light modes. Poor contrast can lead to eye strain and decrease accessibility. Designers should adhere to WCAG guidelines for optimal contrast ratios. User preferences and accessibility. Users have different preferences based on their environment and personal comfort. Dark mode can reduce eye strain in low light conditions. Light mode may be preferable for reading in bright environments. Design considerations for dark mode. Dark modes typically use dark backgrounds with lighter text and UI elements. The choice of colors should minimize eye fatigue and maintain legibility. Designers should avoid pure black as it can create excessive contrast. Design considerations for light mode. Light modes generally feature light backgrounds with darker text and elements. It's essential to choose softer whites to reduce glare and enhance comfort. Consistent color schemes help maintain a cohesive user experience. Typography in dark and light modes. Typography should be legible and accessible in both modes. Consider use of different font weights and sizes to enhance readability. Text colors must contrast well with the background for clarity. Button and icon design. Buttons and icons should be clearly distinguishable in both modes. Use contrasting colors to ensure visibility and interactivity. Consistent shapes and sizes across modes enhance user familiarity. Imagery and graphics. Images should be optimized for both dark and light backgrounds. Designers may need to create two versions of graphics for best results. Transparent backgrounds can help maintain flexibility across modes. Designers may need to create two versions of graphics for better results. Transparent backgrounds can help maintain flexibility across different modes. Shadows and depth. Shadows can add depth but may need adjustment between modes. Dark mode may benefit from lighter shadows to create contrast. Light mode can use subtle shadows for visual separation of elements. Dark mode may benefit from lighter shadows to create contrast. Light mode can use subtle shadows for visual separation elements. Testing for both modes. Usability testing is vital for ensuring effectiveness in both modes. Involve users in testing to gather insights on preferences and comfort. A/B testing can help determine which designs better performance. Usability testing includes satisfaction, learnability, efficiency, memorability, few errors. Consistency across platforms. Maintain consistency in design across different platforms and devices. Users expect a similar experience whether on mobile or desktop. Cross-platform compatibility ensures a seamless transition for users. So it typically maintains consistency in different across the platforms and devices. Users also expect a similar design whether on mobile or desktop. Cross-platform compatibility ensures seamless transition for users. User settings and customization allow users to easily toggle between dark and light modes. Customization options can enhance user satisfaction and engagement. Providing automatic mode switching based on time or environment can be beneficial. Design tools and resources. Utilize design tools that facilitate dark and light mode design. Resources like color contrast checkers can help optimize designs. Libraries and frameworks often include built-in support for both modes. Common pitfalls to avoid. Avoid using too many colors that can confuse users in either mode. Steer clear of overly bright elements in dark mode that can cause glare. Ensure that all interactive elements are accessible and clear regardless of mode. Future trends in UI design. Dark mode adoption continues to grow among users and platforms. Emerging technologies may influence how modes are implemented. There is a trend towards adaptive interfaces that respond to user needs. Case studies of successful implementations. Explore examples from popular applications that have optimized for both modes. Analyze user feedback and designer choices that contribute to their success. Learn from failures to improve future dark and light modes designs. It can include researchers' knowledge, criteria data, key analyzing case circumstances, guidelines for developers. Developers should be aware of the design specifications of both modes. Consistent implementation is the key for maintaining user experience. Collaboration between designers and developers enhance overall quality. User education and communication. Educate users on the benefits of dark and light modes. Provide clear communication about how to switch modes within the interface. Encourage feedback to continuously improve the user experience. Conclusion and key takeaways. Optimizing for dark and light modes enhances user satisfaction and accessibility. Attention to detail in design choices can significantly affect usability. Continuous testing and user feedback are essential for ongoing improvement.